Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I made this pistachio fruit salad. So step back and watch how I make this. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to dump a can of fruit cocktail mix in there. I'm going to dump one deal of whipped cream in there, Cool Whip. Then we're going to give us a good mix. We're not through here, it's not all we're going to do. But just mix all these together. That's the first layer. That should be about good enough. You want to use a can of crushed pineapple. Okay. Set that to the side. I'm going to put another scoop of whipped cream in there. About 4 scoops. And then we're going to stir all this about. This might need a little extra scoops added. Next, this is optional. This is right here is add some white chocolate chip to it. Remember, that's completely optional. And if you have some, which I don't have any, so I won't be adding it to it. You can add marshmallows and graham crackers. I don't have either two of them, so I would. Anyways, you want to dump in some diced mangoes, can of mangoes. Next, you want 4 large scoops of whipped cream, or Cool Whip, whatever you have. Next, you want to put a full box of pistachio gelatin, jell-o. Okay, and then you want to give us a good mix. Stir it in real good. Let's take a look at that. That's pistachio fruit salad, and this stuff is good. We'll do a taste test on that. Oh my god. That shit is delicious. Oh my god, that is so easy to make. Very easy. Add any of your favorite fruits to it. Whipped cream. And don't forget the most important thing. You have to have jell-o pudding mix. And it can be sugar-free or non-sugar-free. Anyways, thank you for watching my channel. And don't forget the subscribe button. And if you do hit the subscribe button, hit that bell so you get all my notifications. And I appreciate you for watching.